Welcome to the Rescheck blog, brought to you by www.rescheck.info. Today, we're going to talk about an epic battle of energy efficiency softwares. This is Rescheck Web versus Comcheck Web. What you'll want to do is go to www.rescheck.info, go down to the Rescheck blog. You'll scroll down through the multitude of blog posts till you find Rescheck Web versus Comcheck Web. Go ahead and click on that, and then just sit back and enjoy while I read this Rescheck blog post to you. Today on the Rescheck blog, we want to pit two of the kings of energy auditing software against each other. It's not every day on just any blog that two heavyweights like Rescheck Web and Rescheck and Comcheck Web go up against each other head to head in a battle royale. The Rescheck has decided to bring it to you today, so here we go. Rescheck introduction. Rescheck Web is used primarily for new residential homes, residential home additions, residential home alterations. It can also be used on low-rise structures of 3 stories above grade or less. Rescheck Web is an internet-based residential home energy auditing computer program that eases the process of allowing each party involved in the construction of a project to understand the energy efficiency of a project in a climate zone it is being constructed in. It includes all ICC codes and many state-specific energy codes. Your building inspector, contractor, subcontractor, architect, and homeowner can all understand the insulation needs of a structure by having a simple report that explains the home insulation in detail. Rescheck Web allows trade-offs in the calculation, so if the windows are less efficient than required in a climate zone, you may be able to upgrade a wall or ceiling insulation only in certain instances. Rescheck Web advantages. You can use Rescheck Web anywhere there's an internet connection. You don't have to install Rescheck Web on your hard drive as it operates on the cloud. You can easily share projects with others quickly, even if they live far away. IECC energy codes and state energy codes in Rescheck Web are in a constant state of automatic upgrade, so you get access to all the latest and greatest energy code changes when they happen. Rescheck Web's password protected, so you can make a secure password to keep your .rxl and .rck files securely protected. Rescheck Web is fast, and the Department of Energy and Pacific Northwest Laboratory routinely perform maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Now let's look at Comcheck Web. Comcheck Web is used for commercial structures. It can be used on new commercial structures, commercial additions, commercial alterations. Comcheck Web can be utilized to check if these commercial structures meet ICC or ASHRAE 90.1 and other state-specific codes. It provides an instant check of the insulation envelope, interior lighting, exterior lighting, and mechanical system. Provides a detailed report. It also allows your building inspector, energy auditor, and building officials to make a fast and honest determination as to whether the commercial high-rise structures meets the local code. Comcheck Web advantages. You can use Comcheck Web anywhere there's an internet connection. You don't have to install Comcheck Web on your hard drive. It operates on the cloud. You can easily share projects with others quickly, even if they live far away. Comcheck Web has many more codes than Rescheck Web because commercial energy codes are more abundant and differing than residential energy codes. ASHRAE 90.1, ICC energy codes, and state energy codes in Comcheck Web are in a constant state of automatic upgrade, so you get access to all the latest and greatest energy code changes instantly when they happen. Comcheck Web is password protected, so you can make a secure password to keep your .cxl and CCK files securely protected. Comcheck Web is fast, and the Department of Energy and Pacific Northwest Laboratory routinely perform maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Comcheck Web handles insulation envelope, interior lighting, exterior lighting, and mechanical. Since Comcheck Web and Rescheck Web are used for two different types of projects, it is difficult to pick a winner. As you can see from the comparison above, Comcheck Web and Rescheck Web do many of the same things. Comcheck works on commercial structures and high-rises. Rescheck works on residential and low-rise structures. The main advantage is to Comcheck Web because it includes more energy codes. Codes like ASHRAE 90.1 for commercial structures give Comcheck Web an advantage. After that, main difference is that Comcheck looks at more areas of the structure by including interior lighting, exterior lighting, and mechanical. It allows Comcheck Web to win this comparison. However, it should be noted that the reports are not interchangeable. If your construction project is residential and requires a Rescheck, then Comcheck will not be able to be used. If your construction project's commercial and requires a Comcheck, then Rescheck will not be allowed. There are some gray areas where a certain building official or building department may require a Comcheck in place of a Rescheck or vice versa, but this is very rare and dealt with on a case-by-case basis. Overall, Comcheck Web with more energy codes and more analysis parameters takes the win of Rescheck Web versus Comcheck Web. Thanks for reading our in-depth analysis of Comcheck Web versus Rescheck Web. We hope you enjoy reading our Comcheck and Rescheck programming. We look forward to help you with your energy code and permitting needs. If you have a project that needs a Rescheck from Rescheck Web or Comcheck Web, you can simply email us a PDF to service@rescheck.info and we will get you taken care of. Thanks again for reading.